Okay, let's talk goals for phonological deficits. So if you have a child and you want to use a phonological approach because you've determined they actually have phonological errors, so you're thinking maybe minimal pairs, maybe complexity approach, maybe the cycles approach, how do I write goals? Here's the thing. I do not write goals specific to an approach, because I might change approaches. I might find that, man, I want to do the complexity approach with this kid, but maybe they're not super resilient, so it's not the way to go. Maybe I need to switch to cycles, or maybe I decide to start with minimal pairs, but as we get going, I find they have more errors, so I want to switch approaches. So here's what I do. I write a goal for the speech task or the speech skill that I want the child to acquire, regardless of how we get there. So if I have a child who is gliding, I'm going to write an approach for that. For instance, child will eliminate gliding by producing L and R in initial word position at 90% accuracy on an untrained speech task across 2 sessions. If they're doing multiple phonological errors, I'll write another goal. If they're fronting, child will eliminate fronting by producing K and G, and then pick your word position with 90% accuracy across untrained speech tasks, and something like that. So that's kind of how I write my goals. It's not based upon the approach I'm going to choose. It's based upon what I want them to obtain or acquire or improve upon, not on how I get there. Now, if you're unsure about what approach to choose, I have a great course called Match the Method that you need to take. If you go to the link in my profile, tap on Explore More Courses, and you'll find that course there.